This show is brought to you by Vyasa Media Network.
Namaste, I am Dr. Garima Shrestha. I am an aesthetic doctor and I am co-founder of Vita-V. Vita-V is basically an aesthetic and anti-aging clinic which is located in Naxal, Narayanchor. So if you want to know more about Vita-V clinic, then there is a detail of Instagram vitav.np. So you can see, follow and go through it. And welcome to Dr. Vyasa. Since I got few questions by you all, so I'm going to answer few of the questions. So starting with the first question, what is aesthetic medicine? Is aesthetics a part of dermatology? So talking about aesthetic medicine is a branch of modern medicine. It is basically a mixture of art and medicine. That means talking about human anatomy, talking about my human anatomy, मेरो face is different compared to yours. मेरो anatomy is completely different to yours. मेरो facial structure, my facial appearance is completely different from me to different human beings. Sabbeko difference, and we have our unique features. So what basically aesthetic medicine is, aesthetic doctors who create an art and make that enhancing the beauty. So the one who tries to enhance the beauty through injections, lasers, doing anti-aging treatment, that is aesthetic medicine. So talking about aesthetic medicine, it is broad, it is very advanced. So it is basically creating an art depending on your basic human anatomy. So creating an art, enhancing the beauty and giving that anti-aging treatments, that is an aesthetic medicine. Talking about is it a part of dermatology? So I want to give you three broad terms here. So it is not actually a part of dermatology, but I want to give three terms, that is dermatology, aesthetic medicine and aesthetician. So what is dermatology? Dermatologists are doctors who look after skin diseases. त्यो भनेको चाहिँ जुन पनि डक्टर्स जसले चाहिँ स्किन डिजिज रिलेटेडको कुरालाई डायग्नोज गर्नुहुन्छ, ट्रिट गर्नुहुन्छ भने उहाँहरू चाहिँ डर्मेटोलोजिस्ट हो हैन. सो व्हाट इज एस्थेटिक डक्टर्स? Aesthetic doctors are doctors who are there to making an art, creating an art and enhancing the beauty. So whatever you have to do with enhancing the beauty, that is aesthetic medicine, that is aesthetic doctors. So like PRP, microneedling, Botox, chemical peels, यस्तो सबै गरेर anti-aging treatment गर्ने, enhancing the beauty गर्ने, that is aesthetic doctors. And what is aesthetician? So aestheticians are the one who are there to do the skin care. Skin care भनेको चाहिँ कस्तो like facials, cleansers or use गर्ने, doing the skin spa. So these are aesthetician. And so people get confused with dermatologists, aesthetic doctors and aesthetician. They have their own roles in the society. So those who are with skin disease, like different kind of skin diseases like psoriasis, scabies, त्यस्तो खालको case like लुतो आउने हुन्छ नि, dry हुने, eczemaहरूको case चाहिँ they are treated by dermatologists. त्यो भनेको चाहिँ जति पनि skin related छालाको रोग छ त्यो चाहिँ they are treated by dermatologists. And what is aesthetic medicine? Aesthetic doctors are the one to enhance your beauty. त्यो भनेको चाहिँ naturally आफ्नो face लाई preserve गरेर beauty लाई enhance गर्ने, making it in a natural way, subtle way, and through injections, lasers, doing an anti-aging treatment, enhancing your beauty, that is aesthetic doctors. And aestheticians are the one to take care about skin care. त्यो भनेको more like facials, cleansers. So those are aestheticians. So all these three play an important role in the skin and aesthetic. So these are the terms that I don't want you to class about it. So aesthetic medicine भनेको, I hope you understood, it is like making an art, basically talking about human anatomy. मेरो human anatomy is different, yours is different. So making it in a unique feature, कुनै पनि natural कुरालाई नबिगारिकन enhancing the beauty, that is aesthetic medicine. So I wanted everyone to know these three terms, and कसैले पनि clash नहोस् भनेर चाहिँ different term लाई चाहिँ I wanted to clarify and explain it to you. Is there a product that will magically make your wrinkles go away fast? So talking about aesthetic medicine, I have already talked about that. Aesthetic medicine is advanced. It is a branch of modern medicine and it is very advanced. So magically making your wrinkles go away भन्दा पनि I believe in naturally boosting your collagen. That means when you age, आफ्टर 20 जति पनि मान्छेहरु चाहिँ आफ्टर 20 वर्षपछि चाहिँ हाम्रो कोलाजन 1% लस हुँदै जान्छ स्किनबाट हैन. सो व्हाट इज कोलाजन? कोलाजन इज which will make your skin look intact. त्यो भनेको चाहिँ स्किनलाई टाइटन गर्ने अनि स्याग हुन नदिने. कोलाजन इज द वान which will tighten your skin हैन. सो 20 वर्षपछि चाहिँ कोलाजन 1% लस हुँदै जान्छ हैन. सो अब यु क्यान इमेजिन 20 वर्षबाट नै लस हुँदै जान्छ भनेपछि त डेफिनेटली आफ्टर सर्टेन इयर्स पछि त स्किन स्यागिङ हुने बिकज अफ द लस अफ कोलाजन हैन. सो यस, एस्थेटिक मेडिसिन has actually magic that will try to wipe off your wrinkles completely, but I believe human beings are expressive. भनेको चाहिँ we need something to expression देखाउनको लागि we are expressive हैन. But comparing human being with statue, human beings are expressive हैन. तर त्यो frozen look दिन भन्दा पनि when you want to talk to someone, you want to smile, but you can't say smile, you are like frozen. हुन्छ नि, केही देख्दैन, रिसाएको पनि देख्दैन, हाँसेको पनि देख्दैन. That doesn't look good, you know. So if it's better to reduce wrinkles, I believe naturally boosting your collagen and adding little amount of anti-aging treatment so that give you the natural subtle look rather than giving the frozen statue look, you know, because we want human beings to be natural, subtle, alikati expressions haru pani bhako. So rather than being a statue and having a frozen look, yeah, there are few anti-aging treatment that will make your wrinkles go completely wipe away just magically, but it's not permanent, definitely not permanent, but temporarily there are few treatments and wipe garne, but I don't believe in that. I believe in natural subtle look. So human beings are expressive, heridakeri pani natural look, preserving your facial structure, human natural anatomy, but also giving the little bit of anti-aging treatments and along with that boosting your natural collagen. So aesthetic medicine is advanced. There are so many advanced techniques that we can do on your face, but rather than doing so many things, always we believe less is more. Thore garera pani राम्रो देख्छ भने while we go into a very overfilled, over treatment, overdone भन्दा पनि less is more. There are a few anti-aging treatments that will permanently giving you the frozen look. I mean temporarily giving you the frozen look, but I believe human beings should be expressive. Reducing sugar changed my skin, but switching to jaggery and stevia for sweets make me wonder if it can cause breakouts. What do you think? Definitely, talking about myself, it's been 3 years I have cut off sugar from my diet because it's high glycemic index. It doesn't have any good thing that will do to your body. So high glycemic index ले चाहिँ के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि to alter your hormone insulin resistance हरूलाई पनि affect गर्छ, hormonal level affect गर्छ. That will help you more acne breakout हुन्छ and also aging faster. So I have switched to talking about jaggery and stevia. Stevia is a more like natural based leaf extract बाट बनेको हैन. I try to have stevia sometimes with my milk tea. So it is definitely a good one because it has low glycemic index, and compared to jaggery and stevia, I would choose stevia. And if compared to sugar and jaggery, I would definitely choose jaggery because sugar has high glycemic index and jaggery has lower glycemic index. So sugar linu banda, it's better to take jaggery and stevia. Stevia is definitely a leaf plant extract, so you can take it. Jaggery ra sugar ma pani, if I have to choose, I would definitely choose jaggery. Because it has low glycemic index. So out of 10 मैले दिनु पर्यो भने चाहिँ सुगरमा high glycemic index दिनु पर्यो भने I would give 9, and if I have to give it for jaggery I would give it like 5 or 6. So choosing jaggery and stevia, that is a good switch than sugar because sugar has no any good effect to your health. It also ages you faster and insulin resistance or insulin levels alter गरिदिन्छ, pre-diabetic. And also the another thing is tumor cells, they need sugar to grow. So tumor cells हरूलाई पनि sugar चाहिन्छ to grow. And if you try to control sugar on your diet, then definitely it will be healthy. You are preventing so many things like cancers, you are preventing tumor cancers. Along with that, you are also reversing your aging. So try to avoid sugar and switch to good healthy things like stevia, jaggery. So yeah, definitely you should cut off sugar from your diet. Is the face mask sold in stores truly worth buying? Yeah, this is an interesting question. I hope so many people use those who are more concerned about your skincare, more concerned about your skin. So definitely they buy a lot of face masks. I am sure about it, I know. So is it worth buying or not? भन्ने questions पनि धेरै आइ पनि राको हुन्छ, टेक्स्टहरु डीएमहरु आइराखेको हुन्छ इन्स्टाग्राममा. I believe अहिले चाहिँ कति कुराहरु there are fake products पनि छ है. मार्केटमा देयर आर फेक प्रोडक्ट्स एन्ड राइट इन्ग्रिडियन्टहरू पनि युज भएको छ कि छैन, यु हेभ टु नो इट. सो इज देयर गुड प्रोडक्ट, इज देयर गुड प्रोडक्ट र ब्याड प्रोडक्ट, यु हेभ टु डिफ्रेन्सिएट. अब वर्थ बाइङ भन्दाखेरि पनि टकिङ अबाउट, अब इफ आई कम्पेयर अ प्लान्टसँग कम्पेयर गर्ने हो भने पनि तपाईँलाई प्लान्टको मोइस्चरको लागि चाहिँ माटो सुक्खा भइराखेको हुन्छ नि. इफ यु हाइड्रेट प्लान्टलाई पानी राख्नुभयो भने इट विल एड मोइस्चर नि, प्लान्टमा मोइस्चर दिन्छ नि. सो सुक्खा राखिराख्दाखेरि इट विल ड्राइज आउट एन्ड देन मरेर जान्छ होइन त्यो प्लान्ट पनि. सो त्यसरी नै इफ यु वाटर द प्लान्ट देन डेफिनेटली इट गिभ्स द मोइस्चर. सुक्खा भन्दा पनि एउटा मोइस्चर दिन्छ. सो एडिङ द राइट अमाउन्ट अफ वाटर, इट्स नट लाइक गिभिङ 100% फुल बकेट पानी हाल्नु भन्दा पनि यु सुड नो राइट अमाउन्ट अफ एडिङ वाटर टु द प्लान्ट सो द्याट इट गिभ्स मोइस्चर. भन्न खोजेको यु निड टु नो द राइट इन्ग्रिडियन्ट ओभर यर स्किन, राइट इन्ग्रिडियन्ट अन यर स्किन. त्यो भनेको always using more product is not good. जहिले पनि overusing the product is not good. Right amount of ingredient is always important. So basically talking about face mask is actually giving you the hydration, soothing ko lagi ho. It gives you moisturizing the skin. And talking about skin, मेरो skin type is different, your skin type is different. If I prescribe the same skincare that I'm using to you, then it might not make sense because your skin type is different. मेरो oily छ भने your skin type might be combined or maybe dry. So depending on that, the different skincare are based on that, and we recommend you according to your skin type, right? So when you have oily skin, moisturizing a lot might not make sense. It will cause breakout, right? And similarly, talking about dry skin, if I try to give you more dry product when it will more dry the skin and gives you again acne breakouts or wrinkles or increase in the socks. So giving you the right ingredient is important. So basically face mask give you the hydration, give you the soothing skin and moisturize your skin. So other than that, अब vitamin C को कुरा गर्ने हो भने vitamin C face mask पनि पाइराखेको हुन्छ हैन. तर vitamin C oxidizes easily environment मा. So oxidize भन्ने कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ I don't think vitamin C face mask is more that useful rather than taking the right ingredient and taking the more hydration. आफ्नो hydration को लागि हो, glow को लागि हो. If you want to go out for any event or party and if you want to look your skin hydrated and moisture हो भने चाहिँ it is worth buying. So you're actually looking after the proper aesthetic treatment हो भने it doesn't make sense. But if you want to look for hydration, moisture, since skin is the largest organ of our body, we need hydration. एउटा मोइस्चराइज गर्नुपर्छ. त्यसको लागि हो भने चाहिँ इट इज वर्थ बाइङ, बट यु सुड टेक विच वान इज गुड एन्ड ब्याड प्रोडक्ट. त्यसलाई चाहिँ डिफ्रेन्सिएट गर्नु पऱ्यो. जस्ट लाइक टकिङ अबाउट द प्लान्टलाई पनि मोइस्चर गर्नको लागि यु सुड एड द राइट अमाउन्ट अफ वाटर. सो स्किनलाई पनि यु निड टु स्किनलाई ग्लो एन्ड हाइड्रेसनको लागि चाहिँ यु निड टु नो द राइट इन्ग्रिडियन्ट on your skincare. So it's worth buying if you are looking after hydration, moisturize ko लागि हुन्छ. It's worth it. I think aesthetic treatments are often costly. So can you break down the total cost? अब aesthetic treatment भनेपछि it's a branch of modern medicine. It's a branch of advanced techniques and using advanced techniques to enhance your beauty using so many अब कति मेडिसिनमा भएको कुराहरूलाई युटिलाइज गरेर aesthetic treatmentले युज गर्नु भएर it has make it aesthetically pleasing face देखाउनको लागि चाहिँ we have used so many aesthetic advanced treatments हैन. अब it's all about your aesthetic भनेको नि it's advanced technique. So what you show your face to the world, यो भनेको नि how you present your face to the world. अब it's we are in a digital era where everybody wants to look pretty, where everybody wants to look presentable. Pretty भन्दा पनि presentable हैन. Everybody wants to look presentable, and while making a reel on Instagram or either doing a vlog on YouTube, everybody wants to look presentable. So rather than talking about the cost, it's all about how you present yourself to the world, because it's all about your face, it's all about your voice, whatever you are doing, that is you're presenting yourself to the world. And so you should rather than being cost tira हेर्ने भन्दाखेरि पनि I think you should be more conscious whatever you are presenting, whatever you are facing, and whatever you're presenting yourself to the world, that matters. अब it's not that costly पनि so many treatments that might be costly. I can't be biased about it and cost त्यो कुरा. But there are also few treatments that are quite affordable, हैन, like chemical peels, which you can think धेरै cost सोचिरहेको हुन्छ, but that's affordable. So there are like gaps in aesthetic treatment मा चाहिँ mostly people think it might be very expensive, I don't think I can afford त्यो वाला हुन्छ. It's more about presenting yourself to the world, how you present yourself. It's all about aesthetically creating an art and pleasing face, so screen ma how you present yourself. So there are also few treatments that is affordable, and there are also few treatments that might go slightly expensive. So depending on the treatment you are looking after, so it might be starting from the affordable till the expensive one. So better rather than that, I think what you are looking after, what aesthetic treatments you are seeking, and what you want to present yourself to the world, that matters a lot. This is Dr. Vyas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to Vyas Media Network.
This show is brought to you by Vyas Media Network.